Hey friends, Chad here. We're at the back of the greenhouse and it was just about 90 degrees today. As such, it was probably, I don't know, over 100 in the garage, in the greenhouse. So it's time to fire up the wet wall. But there's a handful of things that I need to do, starting with cleaning off all this gunk. I have the screen on here to prevent bugs from getting in. I've never taken it off. So this looks like just a bunch of algae that grows and just junk that grows while the water wall is on for 4 or 5 months solid. Well, not for, let's say May, June, July, August, September-ish. So 4.5 months solid. So what we're gonna do is take this out, remove the wiggle wire. I will get this kind of like halfway, 3/4 down, and then I'm gonna do two things. I'm gonna take my leaf blower and blow from the outside or the inside out, trying to free it, and then we'll see how that does and kind of go from there. I might have to get something to tap out some of the junk, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I blew out the outside and the inside. I tried to set up a time lapse. Maybe that worked, maybe it didn't, but it just was not getting enough of the gunk off so we can see this gunk, kind of just the caked on gunk versus over here. And all I did was I grabbed the kid's rake and I'm just going along and scraping off all the stuff that has accumulated on there, and then I'll come back through with the blower. I'll do this on the inside and then I'll blow it all out, and then I think the panels themselves are good. And if you don't know, all this is basically a giant box. It's corrugated, you can see through it to the other side, and then the water flows down and it just wets this. It's treated with some sort of agent so it just doesn't disintegrate, but this retains the water and slows it down, and the fans suck all the air through, making it cold as it goes through the water wall. So basically just a giant swamp cooler. So there you go.